hello.
Mic is better. Okay, guys, I just want to thank everybody over here for being there. This is something new for me. I always wanted to do something like this, but I think everything happens at the right time, right? And I'm so happy. I've met somebody like Bhargav. He always kind of saw the potential in me. So thank you so much, Bhargav. It means a lot. Like right when you just started Spoil, the way you kind of incorporated me, not just like as a blogger, but also for your advertisement. And you were like, hello?
Keep it close.
Okay, cool, I'm just gonna go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like you were like, Santoshi, this is it, I want you, you know. So since then I had like believed in you and we did it. I am so happy today. And yeah, basically the inspiration is coming from a place actually from my personal style. I'm actually kind of very happy that I didn't start anything before this because vlogging has given me a direction. I know my audience now. I know my personal style even better. And when Bhargav came to me with this idea, I just knew what I want to build. And we were like so clear with the whole idea, the mood board, the concept, and of course the Spoil team. They have been so amazing. I mean, we have been on the same page, and it just let us kind of come down to a point to get the same quality, to right from the fabrics, the design, the fitting, everything has been amazing. And of course, it's the first time, so I am very open for like an honest feedback for improvements. But yeah, like it's all like 90s, fun, young, because I also know my audience. I also know they like my personal style. My winners! Yes! Yes. So thank you so much, guys, for all the recreations, and I'm sure everybody's going to like the collection. And what I'm wearing is also from my collection. So enjoy it, guys, and send me all your love and support. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, we're just going to keep her back here for a couple of minutes because we had a very, very lovely contest we ran where we asked all of her fans and friends and people who follow her to recreate some of her best looks. And we had so many entries. It was such an amazing contest. We had over 200 to 300 people creating looks. And out of those, we have 10 lucky winners who actually got a chance to be here. And I'd really like for Santoshi to give out some goodies from our side and from Santoshi's side. So
Yes.
just bear with us for one moment.
Yes, of course we deserve it. I mean, I remember doing something like this in 2015 when also created my looks, and I was in awe. And like the whole thing coming back now as this was like just so strong, you know. Like I was like, this is it. There has to be a long way from here, you know. Okay, girls. I mean, nothing coming.
Perfect. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly call their names out. So if you girls can come up on stage. Have first winner of the contest, Arshia. Arshia, could you please come up on stage? Congratulations.
Excuse me.
Thank you. Thanks, sir. You deserve it.
The next one.
Thank you.
Could we have Urvi on stage, please? Urvi is not here yet? Okay. Pritika. Pritika, is that right?
Yeah.
Pritika.
Kritika, right?
Biju.
Congratulations. Thank you for coming.
We have
your take on this initiative, which is absolutely different, you know, something unique?
The initiative,
For
the
the
collection?
influence, yes.
Yeah. I think it's great because there are so many girls out there who kind of relate to us, and if we do something like that, it's like when they wear the pieces, it's something that they can relate to, they can connect with. So I think it's a great idea, and I've been having such an amazing time, kind of right from like designing to kind of creating the whole thing, and the whole launch has been a great experience for me.
It is, you know, apart from this, it's also different because, you know, it is about influencer. It is not a Bollywood,
Right.
so-called
Right.
event. It is absolutely somebody who is doing absolutely out of the box through influencing people. You know, what's your take on that?
That's what I said. I mean, it's a great thing because there is something that the audience can relate to us. It's very like, you know, they could relate in a way that if they aspire to be somebody like us, and it's something that they can achieve, you know, because even we started from nothing, and the power of social media is something else. And if even today my collection is all about my personal style, it's not like the trends and all of that, it's not just that, but it's like my personal style, and I know so many girls who really like my style and who are going to love the collection. So I think it's like a very cool concept to kind of start with, especially in India because there's so much scope for it now.
What was your first reaction to the moments, you know, the spoil people approach you to be a part of this and they want the collection of yours to be out?
Yes, I was like, yes, this is it, you know. I was definitely very excited. I always wanted to do something like this, but with the help of Spoil, I think I could just achieve it the way I wanted to.
Do you like, you know, launching your own collection that through spoil? What's your take on that?
I think it's great because it's like it's a teamwork. So it's not like I have to get my own team and kind of sit and do like my own production and all of that. It's like in the end they want a fashion talent, which is me, and I have a great fashion designing team. So everything is coming together, and plus they have like great logistics in terms of the website, in terms of the app. So everything is like perfect. So it was like a perfect mix of both getting a talent and also getting a perfect team. So yeah.
See, I'm repeating myself, but if you in future you want to launch your own brand with your name, with Spoil, what will be your idea of doing it?
My idea in terms of
What will be the theme of collection, for example, if you want?
okay, like so this is just to begin with. This is like more young, more like I would eventually get to like things which are more like classier, more like for the elder audience. Because right now my collection is quite young, quite fun. But again, it's a step-by-step thing, right? So after this, then this is an exposure to the audience now. More people are aware of it, then of course it will reach the audience who are like around like 25 to 35 age group. So then we can cater to something like that.
Okay, what's your take on what we have to think? What do you think about the brand Spoil?
I think Spoil is great. You know, right from the very beginning when Spoil was launched as a designation where you could like sell your pre-loved products. Since then, I was a part of it, and Bhargav, the founder of Spoil, has always seen the potential in me. And when I used to sell my pre-loved fashion on Spoil, it was a great thing, and honestly it was like a win-win situation for both the parties. And since then I've seen Spoil develop in a way like that strong idea went to an e-commerce which is now like a like a one-stop destination for fashion, which is amazing.
There are numerous people, you know, who started with social media and now becoming a big shot star. For example, the most recent was Nazi, you know, the Gully Boy and all.
Right.
Would you be interested in joining Bollywood? What's your plan of?
I mean, I am open to options. If tomorrow something happens and if I am capable of doing that, then why not? But for now, like I'm focusing on fashion because that's like my strong thing. But if tomorrow, if I get an opportunity, so probably you would see me. But yeah, let's see how it goes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Absolutely different, you know. What's your take on this?
Actually, I'm loving their collection. As in, it's very unique and it's very kind of वेयरेबल जो हम नॉर्मल लाइफ में हम पहन सकते हैं कि कहीं भी पार्टी करने जा रहे हैं, कहीं भी चिल मारने जा रहे हैं तो हम ये कलेक्शन पहन के जा सकते हैं. तो I'm personally loving this collection. Kashish, what do you say?
So, first of all, I want to congratulate Santoshi for the new collection launch. Exactly, and already हमने देखा it's very great. And मैं एक बात बोलना चाहूँगा Spoil ऐप के लिए कि सारी कलेक्शन जो है बहुत एक्सक्लूसिव है, बहुत डिफरेंट है, फॉर्मल, इनफॉर्मल, कैजुअल, श्रग्स, जॉगर्स, आपको हर चीज़ मिल सकती है स्पॉइल ऐप पे. एंड फ्रेंकली स्पीकिंग आई एम रियली लविंग इट. और इवेंट से मुझे बहुत, हर बार इवेंट में कुछ ना कुछ नया पहनना पड़ता है, कुछ डिफरेंट पहनना पड़ता है, कुछ एक्सक्लूसिव पहनना पड़ता है. सो दैट आई गेट फ्रॉम स्पॉइल ऐप. सो या, दैट्स ग्रेट.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशन टू संतोषी. एंड मैंने उनका कलेक्शन देखा है और अभी मैं कनेक्ट भी हुई हूँ स्पॉइल के साथ, तो ऑसम कलेक्शन एंड कंग्रेचुलेशन टू स्पॉइल.
ओके, क्या आपको लगता है एक नई शुरुआत है, इट्स अ न्यू स्टार्ट, यू नो, बाय डूइंग समथिंग एब्सोल्युटली डिफरेंट, यू नो, गेटिंग इन्फ्लुएंसर ऑन बोर्ड और उनका कलेक्शन, उनके हिसाब से, उनके ज़हन से, उनकी ज़हनियत का क्या कहना है?
Exactly. If I see it from the marketing perspective, it's a very great idea कि हम अपना खुद से एक नया कलेक्शन लॉन्च कर सकते हैं. बीइंग इन्फ्लुएंसर, मैं अपना एक कलेक्शन, अपना एक आइडिया जो अपना एक मैं कैरी करता हूँ अपने क्लॉथ्स, वो मैं अपना एक पूरा बना सकता हूँ, अपना स्टोर बना सकता हूँ. एंड मैं बता सकता हूँ कि जो मुझे फॉलो करते हैं, जो मेरे जैसे आउटफिट्स पहनना चाहते हैं, वो लोग मुझे देखें और वही सेम क्लॉथ्स मेरे स्टोर से लें. So that's a very great idea.
Would you be interested, you know, launching your own line of clothes?
हाँ श्योर, मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है. मैंने अपने स्टोर पे लॉन्च भी किया है, मतलब ऑब्वियसली वो अपने स्टोर पे डाला है तो अच्छा ही लगता है. एंड ब्लॉगर के हिसाब से तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स नाइस.
एक अलग तरह की फैन फॉलोइंग हो जाती है. एक अलग तरह से जब आप लोग चाहते हैं, आपके फैंस होते हैं, उनकी अलग अलग डिमांड भी होती है कि आप इस तरह का चश्मा पहनते हैं, हम आपको फॉलो करते हैं, या आप इस तरह का जींस पहनते हैं. Would you be interested doing the same?
Obviously, I would love to do that because thing is, normally जो डिज़ाइनर्स होते हैं, जो इंडिया के अंदर डिज़ाइनर्स हैं, वो ऐसे आउटफिट्स बना रहे हैं जो नॉर्मल लाइफ में लोग नहीं पहन पाते हैं. जैसे कि मैं अभी जो ग्लासेस पहन रहा हूँ, मैंने हेड पहन रखी है, ये हम नॉर्मल लाइफ में पहन सकते हैं एंड पीपल कैन कनेक्ट विद इट. सो आई वुड लव टू डू इट. अगर मेरे को कभी ऑप्शन मिलता है अपना कलेक्शन लॉन्च करने का, तो आई वुड लव टू डू इट.
Do you think so? It's absolutely a new concept?
It is a very new concept and I'm loving whatever Santoshi is doing it, and उसका कलेक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा है. And yeah.
कशिश, किसी एक शख्स को आप देखना चाहें यहाँ पे स्पॉइल के माध्यम से कि उनका भी कलेक्शन लॉन्च होना, जिससे आप बहुत इंस्पायर हो?
जिससे यहाँ पे बेसिकली मैंने करण वाही को देखा है और स्पॉइल ऐप पे उनको देखा, तो उनका कलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा है. तो उनका कलेक्शन देख के मैंने अपना जब स्टोर लॉन्च किया तो मैंने करण वाही को ही देखा था. सो या, उनका कलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा है.
Your choice?
एक्चुअली करण वाही सेम है, लेकिन लड़कियों में मैं किसको करूँ? अच्छा, मैं भूल गई, सॉरी.
आई थिंक इनका खुद का ही इतना अच्छा है ना कि अपना ही कैरी करना और अपने ही जैसे स्टाइल के कपड़े पहनना पसंद है.
हाँ, वो सही है.
Okay, I would love to launch my own collection because I love what I wear and I think people can connect with it. So yeah.
Okay, what happened on production front?
As in, you need to give me a proper name. Okay, you want me to give a proper name जिसका collection?
नहीं.
As in?
वो क्या है? Professionally क्या हो रहा है?
Okay, professionally I'm not able to connect with what is.
For example, you're doing some show, you're doing a film. What's happening on professional front?
Okay, basically I'm a professional model and I was Mr. India finalist in 2016 and I'm a Love School season 3 winner. So I'm completely surrounded by fashion industry only. So I have a pretty much good idea about fashion thingy. So yeah.
I've done the show Savitri Devi College and Hospital and अभी कुछ projects नए meeting चल रहे, तो let's see क्या होता है.
So I've done roadies that everyone knows, but after that I'm a professional actor. And एक शो आ रहा है जो बहुत exclusive है, that you will get to know very soon.
Okay, thank you guys.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We can come here, you know.
Yeah, you come wherever.
Yeah, I'll be your dad. Please, you go out. अरे यार.
Okay, do we? हाँ.
Rolling. Good to see you guys. Tell us what's your take on this absolutely a new initiative, something absolutely unique.
I think the pieces are super carefree and very fun, and they're very like Santoshi style, which is really good.
They speak her personality. They're colorful, they're vibrant, and they're stylish, just like she is.
Yeah.
I think they're like really cool, and for any girl who sort of relates to Santoshi's style, this collection is definitely for her. So yeah.
And winter is going and summer is coming, so I think
Yeah.
it's quite apt. Yeah. So yeah, I think we're all ready for summers now. Yeah, getting ready for summers. Yeah.
Yeah.
First of all, I'd like to congrats her for the collection. The collection is damn good. And
Yeah, congratulations,
congratulations,
Santoshi.
Santoshi, for this.
Yeah.
And of course, she's styling it's inspired by her style, so it's going to rock it. She's going to rock it in this.
Yeah,
Do you
definitely.
think it's a good start, all of you? It's a good start of getting somebody, an influencer, on board and
Definitely.
launching the collection?
Well, I think like brands are already doing it anyway, so
Yeah, and I
for
think
sure.
it's I
It's a
I
very
love
good
the fact.
start,
Yeah,
It's the
And
next step after blogging,
Exactly.
so
I mean,
it's a really
internationally,
good thing.
it
Yeah.
happens more often, but it's great that the Indian market is also open to something like that. So that's
Yeah.
great.
So yeah, it's kind of amazing.
Do you ever thought it'll go such a long way, get a new trend? And she said this right now, it happened abroad.
Fashion takes you everywhere.
Yeah.
Fashion takes you everywhere. Trust me, it does takes you everywhere.
In overseas, but now it's starting here. It's damn cool. Like every influencer, every blogger goes into fashion. He's getting his piece, to portray his style and his everything. So all the audience will love the collection which they'll actually come out with.
Yeah.
Okay, the last one. Any one person from the industry, from Bollywood or from the fashion industry, you are influenced by?
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer
Everyone,
Singh.
Ranveer
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Baba.
Yeah, Ranveer ki jai ho.
Yeah.
I think it's a mix of a lot of people.
Yeah, true. You
Yeah,
can't
I can't
pinpoint
Yeah, we're
one.
just saying Ranveer because his movies come.
Yeah.
And he's
kind of
very
obsessed.
fun, but yeah. His style is very fun. So
Yeah,
that's
it's fun and experimental,
I
which
love
I
it.
think we all should do. Experiment.
It means you are loving Gully Boy.
I think everybody is.
Everyone is. Yeah, I think everyone's waiting for it. So.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.